think so.
Okay, all right. I want to bring in Shramshavi Shren into the conversation as well. Shramshavi Shren, do you feel that some of these petitions that have been filed before earlier the Delhi High Court and now the Supreme Court, that it's a part of a larger nefarious plot, or is this just a misguided old lady in West Bengal?
It is just a misguided thing, nothing else. It's not a plot, let me tell you that. There are several matters that keep on, someone or the other keeps on filing. Taj Mahal hamara hai, this property is ours, Rashtrapati Bhavan hamara hai. These kind of matters keeps on filing here. So what Mr. Sumit said, बहुत ही बड़ा nexus है निकलना चाहिए. It's all rubbish. First, second, lawyers के साथ ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए. Let me tell you that lawyers, they are looking for कि they actually want fees. We all know that what the fate of the case actually would be. But because of them, they actually want a client, they want a fee.
Our ethics don't permit so.
Sorry?
Our ethics don't permit us to file such frivolous petitions.
No, sir, let me tell you, ethics is that you cannot say no to any client. For you, it might be a wrong case, but for that person might be a right case.
No. But if it is not legally tenable, we have to inform the client that it is not legally tenable.
Sorry, come back again.
If the matter is not legally tenable, it is the duty of the lawyer to inform the client that the case is not legally tenable, you cannot file it. You cannot instigate the client, come on, give me the fees, I will file a frivolous petition. That is not allowed. That is against the ethics.
Let me tell you that every lawyer, even for these temples also, the matters that's been filed, Sabrimala and the other matters, sorry, the other temple matters, lawyer thought that यार इतने साल पुराना मंदिर है, इसमें कौन ही issue notice होगा. But it happened. So in the end, as a lawyer, your job is to file a matter. It's the court's job to see whether the matter should be entertained or not. All right. So you saying कि भाई lawyers का भी nexus है, सबका ही nexus है? No, it's wrong. Everyone has a right to go to the court and file a matter. It's not us there to actually judge them. But yes, what the previous speaker said, that there should be a proper judgment by the Supreme Court that none of such kind of matters should be filed again. Such kind of matters should not be heard. It's not only for these Taj Mahal, Red Fort and all. It's for even the temple matters. If you have issued one matter में issue notice हुआ, now you have been seeing every day somewhere or the other a temple के ऊपर एक वो मंदिर वो case हो रहा है file. So it will happen.
Shramshavi Shren, but how is a temple matter when one is saying that there was a larger temple land which was demolished and perhaps some other structures came in place? How is that comparable to, say, you and I going to court and saying that actually I am the descendant of so and so and I am the owner of India's parliament? Is that comparable?
Yeah. Yes, let me tell you on that. So the temple was actually demolished when 200 साल पहले. You have a time limit. Of course, entire world is like that. कुछ टूटा, कुछ चीज बना. So if you say कि नहीं 200 साल पहले so and so मुगल आया, उसने temple तोड़ा, so this thing will happen. That is wrong. होगा ही होगा. Obviously, even दिल्ली भी जो entire Delhi में कितना कुछ टूटा, कब्रिस्तान थे, क्या क्या नहीं था वहां पर. But then you can't just come and say कि नहीं ये वाली property हमारी है. नहीं है. Time period था. Time period got over. You have a limitation. The court should actually issue a sumoto in such kind of a matter. As the previous speaker said, a proper judgment should come that इसके बाद से, like if you say 47 के बाद से कुछ भी changes जो हुए उसके अंदर matters file हो गए, उससे पहले के matters file नहीं हो गए. These kind of judgment should come. Otherwise, yes, someone had filed a matter कि ये Supreme Court जिस land पे है बना हुआ 200 साल पहले, 100 साल पहले मेरे so and so ने rent पर दिया था. So these matters will actually come up. So it's the court, it's the government who has to see that you have to file pass a notification कि नहीं ये वाले matters entertain नहीं.
Okay, I want to bring in Gautam Mukherjee. Gautam Mukherjee, are the situations